Strong birds make a stronger flock. Introducing Avicare by Assurem Healthcare, the ultimate resistance booster for your feathered friends. Specially formulated with essential amino acids, vitamins, and calcium. Avicare is your go-to solution for healthier bones, improved immunity, and better fertility in birds. Packed with lysine, methionine, vitamin D3, B-complex, and more, Avicare supports bone health, improves breeding performance, and reduces summer stress conditions in chicks and adults alike. After I started using Avicare, I noticed my hens laying more eggs, and my chicks look more active and healthier than ever before. Avicare is a well-balanced multivitamin supplement that supports immunity, egg hatchability, and overall bird health. It's especially effective during stressful weather and breeding periods. Easy to use, just mix the right amount with water or feed, as advised by your vet. Avicare, because your birds deserve the best care every day. From Assurem Healthcare, assured remedies for a healthy life.